Hello, welcome. In this video, I will show you how to restore your backups from the Samsung Cloud on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. So first, open up Settings. In here, scroll down until you see Accounts and Backup right here. And press Restore Data on the Samsung Cloud tab. And as you can see, you will see in this window your backups from your previous phones, or this one, for example. I backed up my security preset, as you can see. And here now just press Restore, and it will take some time. So I'm just going to, as you can see, data restored, and just press Done. And that's pretty much it. So if you enjoyed this video and considered it helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.